What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Jerush's official YouTube channel, and today I brought you the best ever tool to rank your video first on YouTube. Do you want to watch this and how this is going to really help you growing your YouTube channel fast and rank your videos in the first position? Keep this video secret and also watch this video till the end so that you don't miss anything. So let's get into the video. Now we are on the Morning Fam website. So what I am going to do here is that I am going to click on the black highlighted word which says get access to the keyword tool. You should probably try this as it is one of the best tools ever in order to rank your videos on YouTube. In here now, click on search, that is on the third section. I'll zoom it. That is the one. Number 3, search. Now a search bar will be here. Now let's take an example that you are going to make a video on earn money on YouTube. So now let's write earn on YouTube. Now click on the search. You should find out the best topics for your video. There is another keyword search tool called Google Trend where you will find the ideas of trending topics to make a video of your niche. Stay tuned for that video. Now the search result here says that the title that I choose is more search words on YouTube as well as Google. And now how can we know that? Is by looking at the double check mark in green color. The more the number, the greater it will be. But you can see here that the competition level is also very high. That's my first channel, which shows sub count to 59. The average sub count from other competitors is high. Traffic volume from the viewers is also very high. It's 1.2 million, you can see, right? But the score given by Morning Fam is great, as the relevancy grade is A, and this is what I am aiming for. Now I will click on that yellow button, choose for step 4. We know that the competition is very high, but if we see on the below, there is a note says additionally small channels should have aim for at least B grade for relevance. So I'm going to cancel this. Okay, I'll cancel it, and in above click the suggestion plus tab here. I'm going to click on suggestion plus tab and select the best from here, from the given result. Now I will select how can I earn on YouTube. I will select this one. Okay, now the score here we got is again high as compared to before. This is the coolest tool ever developed to rank videos for YouTubers. Because of the competition is very high, I'm going to search a gateway video which will help me. Here's the gateway video, and I'm going to see the text of that video. I'm going to click the show text. So here are the texts. Here are the texts which will be used for your targeted text. Now select the best one and click search. Now I'm going to click get paid on YouTube and click on search. You better choose the one that is more likely to be searched on YouTube as well as in Google. Now click that. Okay, click the search button. Now again I'm gonna click on that yellow button that is choose for step 4. Okay, here the graph shows that the gateway video percentage is higher than your video, but the score by Morning Fame is under C grade, which is nice, but I will be aiming to at least B grade by editing on the metadata below. So here are the metadatas. I'm gonna change and edit all the description. Okay, let's write something here which is common and mostly important. We should add the title on the description as well. Okay, here I've included the title of the video on the description box, and you should do that, which is very important. So I successfully achieved the percentage on the description. Same to the text here that is in the highlighted color. Now same to the text here. Delete all the unwanted text and keep the one that is included and that is indeed needed. Okay. Okay, in here there's another and small notice, somewhat notice like appear. It says, the notice says that keep the green check mark and double green check mark and remove all the other. So I'm going to delete the unwanted text, but remember to keep that yellow highlighted one, and that will be done. Okay, delete which is not in the highlighted one and which does not appear to be in the green check mark. Okay, I'm done. Now see, I changed the metadata and achieved all the required percentage, like the text, description, and the titles. And lastly, the score here I got is A grade relevance, which is 100%. You need to get this grade for your videos to rank the video on YouTube. Now scroll down. Now after scrolling down, you need to save. You need to save the metadata. Okay, here's the save button in yellow. Click that one and it's done. Now you can access to this metadata anytime you edit and upload your videos. And you can directly copy to clipboard and paste on the YouTube Studio while uploading and editing your videos. And yeah, I really like these tools and personally use this method, and the result I got from doing this has shocked me. Trust me, it will rank your videos very fast if you apply this method. So my suggestion to you is that you do the same and rank your videos on YouTube, and it will be 100% sure that your videos gonna rank much higher ever. Please do me a favor by just liking on this video and be subscribed, and make sure you click that yellow button, and you're on the way.